Here's how to withdraw money from Robinhood. So basically, you're going to set up a transfer from your Robinhood account to your bank account with whatever withdrawable cash you have on Robinhood that you choose to transfer. To do that, we're going to go up to our account drop down, and then we'll see transfers. Inside of transfers, we have a few options. One of those is simply transfer money. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see available to withdraw. So before all of your trades have settled, etc., this is going to be the individual cash available to withdraw from your account. And so right now it says I have $5.50 available to withdraw. So I could go to transfer money. Inside of here, I'm going to choose the amount. I'm also going to choose from and where to. So I would want to transfer from my Robinhood account to my bank account, right? And so that's going to transfer, or basically that's going to withdraw money from that account. Now I can choose, maybe I want to withdraw $1. That wouldn't make a whole lot of sense, but I could do that. And down here, it'll show you how much is available to withdraw. And also in that account, it shows you. Then I can review that transfer. I can potentially do an instant transfer for a fee, or it's going to give me a certain amount of time to transfer that to my bank. These numbers on here don't actually make any sense because I have a lot of numbers that are hidden, so you don't see bank account numbers, etc. while we record this. However, you'll see your options here, and then you can transfer the money. And so that's how you can withdraw money from Robinhood.